For this carb slide, I'm going to do another short on this here thing. You're going to inspect the rubber diaphragm up top there, make sure there's no rips, tears, pinholes, whatever, and check your slide body. Sometimes you'll get them and there'll be grooves worn in here where this metal is halfway gone. So give that a good inspection. And this hole right here, the slide lift hole, which is not the center one, it's the outer one, that one right there. This one's already been drilled out. It takes, use a number 29 drill to make it lift a little faster. That being said, I have a number of guys of, you got a bike that just won't rev, is they've actually drilled the hole too damn big. I had one where they drilled this hole right here as big as the center hole where the needle goes through. And, you know, been through it and just couldn't find, you know, tried jetting it to crazy and just couldn't find anything wrong with it. And pulled it out and actually took a good look at it. And this hole, somebody had, like I said, they drilled it out as big as this one, maybe even bigger. But give that a good look. Make sure your diaphragm's all good there, and no bigger than a number 29, which is what Dynajet recommends for the Dynajet kit. And it does work, drilling them out a little bit. It's a number 29 drill, and I can't remember, it's very specific. So it's bigger than a 125, and I can't remember what a 29 is. It's like 167 or something like that. 0.167, I think, inches. I think you can look it up on a drill chart. But that's it for that one. Thank you.